My name is Thomas Cannell, and my traditional name is Aquatilano. It is a privilege and an honor to stand and acknowledge and give thanks to those involved in realizing my artwork, Sea to Sky. This has been an exciting and mammoth project that commenced for me in December of 2018 when I applied as an artist. I was thinking about designing this iconic landmark in the city of Richmond back then. I still keep thinking Celtic is a kinetic thing. So this artwork that will adorn the building that looks like it's moving, I wanted to keep that fluidity happening. The design features traditional iconography of the Pacific Northwest and the teachings and culture of my ancestors in a story-like window into the visceral world. You won't recognize where it starts or where it might end. In time, you may identify a variety of fish, whale, human figures, eagles, and salmon puzzled together under the banner of the sun, moon, and stars. Altogether, symbols of protection and enlightenment throughout and within. The eagle, which you will see at the top, is a sacred, wise, and noble creature representing power and prestige. He has a connection with our Creator, and he is an indication of good times to come. Salmon, which you will see throughout as well, symbolize determination and persistence. Salmon are a symbol of abundance, wealth, and prosperity because salmon are the primary food source for the Musqueam and other nations of the Pacific Northwest. Salmon legends speak of dependability and renewal representing the cycle of life. Salmon seen in pairs are a symbol of good luck. I've applied blue and green shades to blend where the sea meets the sky. I also added champagne highlights borrowed from the color of the building exterior. During these periods of COVID, I think it's important to recognize the similarities animals share with us humans. I would like to share a message that coming together is our best quality and ambition. Animals, like humans, are attracted to one another for safety, for security, for a sense of community, and this magnetism is what I intended to represent here. I hope that through kindness, familiarity, and compassion, we can be a community connected by unwavering peace during times of hardship and separation. This should be all of our number one goal. So there's no time to waste waiting for tomorrow. The time for that is now. So I would like to sincerely share my appreciation for the wide-ranging people who helped make this massive artwork and experience for us all to gather under today.